Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. I am so super excited to show you what I've got in the range. Now yesterday I went back to Chelmsford after work and I got some more paintings, some of which I never saw. So for example, this one wasn't in the last Come Shop With Me. Now I did film the Come Shop With Me, but the storage ran out and I've got to spend time stitching it all together, so that will come up a little bit later. But I can tell you, them crates that we shored, what's shored? The crates that were shored, the crates that I showed you last time where I thought they were putting out Christmas stuff, it is full to the brim of Christmas stuff, so you will see that in the unboxing. Now, as I said, this one is one I never saw there. I went back yesterday because, as you know, with the first Come Shop With Me, there was just so much things I wanted and could only fit so much in the bag the last time when I got that cowgirl shoe. So I thought, do you know what, let's go back and get some more, and I'm glad I did because I've not seen this one before. Okay, so this is the first one, Haunted Hallows, and it's a crystal framed. I think Ghost Glitter will like this. Is your name Melissa Ghost Glitter? Because okay, I keep thinking that your name's Melissa. So yeah, but it'd be nice to like call you by your name, so you don't have to, but I just wondered if that was your name. But anyway, I think Ghost Glitter will love this because she loves anything Halloween. And oh my god, this morning when I woke up, there was this ginormous spider on my ceiling in the bedroom, of all places, the bloody bedroom where I sleep. And I was like, oh my god, like, what am I going to do to get this thing out of it? It was humongous. I put it on my community tab on YouTube. So let's have a look at this. And oh wow, look at that. Wow, that is very... Oh, hang on a minute. Right, let's push that to one side. Do you know what I love about this? This, just in itself, the white just looks like it's spider webbing. It's so strange. But this is all going to be a silver colour, and we've got a hat with a pumpkin on. How cool is that? They're bringing out some wonderful stuff this year. I really feel like this year is a lot better than last year's products. There was very little range last year. I still can't get the coasters. They're not anywhere on the shelf, so I might have to click and collect that, but I don't know if it will be there, because if it's not on the shelf, it's probably not going to be via click and collect. But anyway, this is lovely. What a lovely canvas this is. Stick is beautiful, and as you can see, we get ourselves this gorgeous frame. They always come with the frame. You get all this for £2.99. Look at that, £2.99 for the whole set. It's beautifully packaged, and it's part of that Haunted Hallows series. So as you can see, we've got ourselves a little instructions manual. You've got your boat, pen, tray and wax, and of course, look at this. First thing I'm drawn to is this massive giant drill. That's fantastic. Look at that, absolutely stunning. We've got a black, oh, look at that. I bet that's a 550. A 550 is a very deep coloured purple. We've got a very sort of lighter one. Some oranges for the pumpkin there. An amber, a bronzy colour, another bronzy colour, another bronzy orangey colour, a green, a lighter green, silver, gold, and some orange. I'm actually back at the range again tonight because my sister's invited me for a drink, but this time we're going to do it in Chelmsford, so it gives me a perfect opportunity to stop in the range before we meet up for the pint. So I think we're going Wetherspoons, I'm not sure. So if you're in Chelmsford, come by, say hello. If you see me in the town, I'd you know, ask for a selfie, autograph, that sort of thing. I'm quite happy to do that. And yeah, oh my god, this is stunning. So let's put that to one side. Right, the next product, I'm super excited to show you these. They're bringing these back out, guys. It's that time of year again. We've got Christmas cards, and the weird thing is you never see any cards throughout the year. That, you know, occasionally they might do birthday ones, you know, animal ones, but you never really see any Halloween cards. But they're bringing these out now. I'm sure I got these last year, but I don't know what it is. I think this is slightly different. I don't remember this being with the Robin. There was a card with a Robin one, but I don't remember it being the Robin one, as being that Santa. So I could have got these already, but I don't actually remember doing them last year. So yeah, these came £1.99 for them, and these are lovely. So as you can see, you've got your little Robin, you've got your boat pen tray and wax, and obviously your envelope there. And we'll just show you the other one here, which is Santa. Look at that. And the stick. Oh wow, the stick's brilliant, yeah. So these would be good for like send them out to your friends and family at Christmas time, or you could just keep them. I tend to cut the side off, cut the backing off, which is this bit, and then just stick that to the wall because it makes a nice Christmas ornament. So we've got 2 of them. And in here we have our drills. So we've got a black, an orangey colour, a red, an orange, another orange, sort of snowy grey colour. What is that? A burgundy colour and a bright orange, sort of browny colour, brown, a white, a green, a yellowy colour, and a beige. So yeah, Linda, I will be sending all these over to you for the Have to Have It. If you haven't already joined the Have to Have It, please do get in touch with Lazy Retired Granny. Every week from Tuesday, I think it's round to Wednesday, whatever you buy in diamond painting, it could be literally canvases, cards, whatever. What you do is you send it in to Linda, and then she shows it on her channel and shows it to all her viewers. And you know, it doesn't matter what company you buy from, it all part of the Have to Have It. So if you want to take part in that like I do head over to Lazy Retired Granny and be part of the Have to Have It session. So let's get into the next one. Now the next one, again, I didn't see this last year. Well, I didn't see it last year, but what I meant to say was I didn't see it last time I went there. Again, $2.99 for this gorgeous little pumpkin. It's part of this fall collection. This fall collection is coming out with some really beautiful stuff this year. I definitely feel like we've got more autumn things this year than we did last year. So let's get into this. And where's Miss Scissors? Yeah, we've definitely got some lovely products. So we'll just, whoops. I've got to take a photo of all these to send to Linda because I've got to get that in. I think she says I have to get it in by Wednesday of the previous week, or is it Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday because she shows them on the Wednesday, but I'm not sure. But yeah, again, I didn't see this there last time, so oh wow, look at this. This is stunning. I haven't even seen it yet and I'm calling it stunning. But oh okay, yeah, that's really pale. Oh, could it be a pastel vibe? Wow. Yeah, it's not as orange as I thought. It's a little bit peachy colour, isn't it, on the pumpkins? But this is beautiful. I mean, this doesn't even look like it's white. It's like a peachy colour. And you got like the little flowers. Oh my god, this is stunning. I like this. Yeah, this is lovely. Stick's fantastic. Again, you get your gorgeous frame with it. We've got our boat pen and wax, and I'll just put that down to one side because these are our drills. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. We have ourselves some silver, an orange, a couple of other oranges, a red, a browny colour, a green, a lovely gorgeous orange, and a silver. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Now, I could not resist another pack of cards. They have come out with this design. I think, again, I don't recall having this last year. $1.99, you get your snowflake, and then on the back, you get this gorgeous tree. They did have a tree last year. It was a very green one on a white background. It looks like this year they've changed it a bit. So let's take a look inside here. I think the snowflake is definitely my favourite. Absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see in here, we've got our snowflake. Now, if you wanted to, these are standard jewels. You could put like the shiny jewels on, like, you know, like these ones, but try and find some blue and silver. You know that little Christmas tree I did last year that Teresa's Journey had, that little ornament on the acrylic stand? They should do them, you know, we could use some spares of them on there if we wanted to. We've got ourselves the other one here as well, which is this gorgeous tree. This, it looks very similar to the one that the Works are doing, because the Works are doing a Christmas tree like this, that's a canvas, and I love the fact they've got presents in it. This is going to be very colourful. You've got all sorts going on. What I love about this is with that Christmas tree last year on the card, you could very barely see the symbols. It looks like they've taken a bit of feedback on that and they've improved it, because I can see these quite clearly. But yeah, last year's one was awful. You couldn't really see any of the drills. It was really, really difficult to see them. But this, they've done a nice change here. I love the trees in the background and the lovely snow. This is beautiful. What a lovely, lovely card. So that's them ones. I'm gonna have to put these down carefully because we can't mix these bags up because they don't DMC code them, so I've got to keep that away from the other card, otherwise I'll mix it up. We've got a dark green, a blue, an orange, a red, a brown, a purple, a white, a dark blue, a burgundy. Oh yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous. That's like a Parma violet, isn't it? Yeah, like a violet-y lilac colour and a blue. Absolutely wonderful. Now, you know, I said I wouldn't be doing click and collect. Well, I thought I'd give them another chance, and it looks like this time they've actually got my stuff for once. Now, I haven't opened this up. When you do a click and collect, they put them into mailing bags. If they're bigger items, they'll just put a label on it. But it's nice that they put it in a mailing bag because I get to unbox it for the first time. Sometimes I've got out the shop and it's the wrong item, but I thought we'll check it at home because I can always return it if it's wrong. Next time. So let's get into here. Now in here are some more crystal counters and a Halloween item. So what I tried to do is I tried to click and collect. I think it's just the stickers that are playing up at the moment, but I tried to click and collect because if you click and collect, that locks it in and means that you're reserved that item. So yeah, and on the website it will tell you like how many is in stock. So yeah, look at this. They just keep on coming. Look, let's put it on the floor for now for a minute. So the next one I got, I kept seeing this hedgehog and I had to buy it. I could not say no to it. It was just, when it says the full collection, you feel like you need to have the full set within that collection. So for me, I'm a completionist. I have to have the full set. Although having said that, I still haven't debated about getting that fox. I haven't seen the fox there. It looks like it's all sold out now, but yeah, let's take a look at this because it did take me a couple of trips before I decided on getting this because I really wasn't sure if I wanted it because I've got quite a few hedgehog paintings. But look at this. Wow, that is just spot on with the colours of a hedgehog, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. This feels like a Brie Merlin sort of painting because Brie Merlin sort of does that sort of design. And she's got some lovely, well, the artist for this one has put some lovely, like confetti things on it. This is stunning. Oh, blimey, yeah, this looks like it's been put on the wrong way. This stick is a little bit tight. That shouldn't pull like that. So that might have been put on the wrong way. But as you see, you got your frame again. It's always lovely when they come with the frame because you don't have to then buy it yourself. So it's extra money, isn't it, when you have to keep buying frames for it. So it's nice that they do that. Grey, we've got a brown, an orangey colour, an orange, a greeny colour, a yellowy colour, a brown, a sort of, oh my god, what would you call that? I don't actually know, but there's a brown one in there and a brown, sorry, black. So that's that one. We've then got another one. Let's have a break and go to the Halloween actually. Now I saw this. I'm not very big on Halloween. I've never really been big on Halloween until I watched Craft Addict Roxanne. And Craft Addict Roxanne is from Canada and she loves Halloween. The amount of decor that she shows on her channel really made me get back into Halloween. And so I bought this, and this is the Happy Halloween glitter banner, 25 pieces. So you could probably guess we've got to sit there putting all the letters on this string. So I thought that would be great for putting up in my front room at Halloween. $2.99 a pack. Beautiful. It's so nice, isn't it? This packaging is just, it gives you the like, oh, gotta get it, you know. But I reckon we've got to all put it on ourselves. So let's take a look. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I can feel tape in this. Oh, wow, look at this. So we get this black tape. Why have we got tape? That should be string. I don't know. But look, oh, wow, look at this. Oh, it's actually smooth, but it's like glitter on it. So you've got the A there. You've got an M, look, for Mike. We've got, Oh my god, that looked like a cat then, but I don't know what, oh, why? So you see, it's, oh wow, I might get, oh, do you know what? I might get another pack of this and just get it just for the bats. Like that could go on the wall like that. You don't necessarily have to have it, but oh my god, there's so many here. And then, oh look, we got some sparkly ghost. Happy Halloween! Oh, this is gorgeous. And look, the star of the show. Oh no, it's a little bit scuffed there, look. The star of the show, it's the pumpkin. Oogie boogie. Oh my god, wouldn't you just love to have Oogie Boogie in the middle and then just put that next to it as well? Like, he would just be so, like, that would be, because he's got a scary face, that would be so cool in that. Oh my god, Roxanne, you're going to love these. This is stunning. As I said, I'm not entirely sure. I might get another pack of these because, again, that's good for putting on the wall just as that. But as I say, I'm not understanding this because this looks like tape. As you can see, that, oh, it's actually not tape, but it looks like a roll of tape. But you've got to sit there and put them all up like that. So for £2.99, that is a bloody bargain. So I'm going to pop that back into here. Because obviously I won't use this till Halloween, but I'll do that later. I ain't got time now. And last but not least, Paula is going to love this. She is crazy over gonks. So Paula, oh no. Okay, well that's interesting. They've sent me another pumpkin. Oh, really? Oh man, that's not fair. Okay. I'm gonna have to check that because, oh, no, this can't be happening. Why have we got two pumpkins? Oh, no. Look, I've got the other one here, look. Oh, well, do you know what I think it is? It's a mix and match. Oh, damn it. Yeah, the problem is a lot of the items on the range, they're mix and match. So some things like that Halloween sign, you know you're going to get, but some things like this, especially diamond paintings, it's either this one or it's a different design. I don't know what to do about this because if I return that, I've got the receipt to return it, but what I can do is I can return it from the receipt which I bought that other pumpkin with, because if I do it with click and collect receipt, they might want all of the items back. So yeah, I'm back there today. I'll take that back because I wanted the gong. So what I might be able to do is go upstairs, get the gong, and then say like, can I exchange that rather than go through the hassle of getting a refund for it. Oh, that is a shame. That's why it's always best to go in the shop and pick it up, because sometimes what they'll do is they'll have two paintings like that. So when you look on it, you think, oh, it's just a hedgehog. But then when you look behind, it could be a different design. And I think what's happened is they've just picked the first one on the shelf. Oh, man, that's disappointing. Okay, not to worry, but I'll have to get a refund on that. That's not a problem at all. But anyway, that's what we've got. I hope you like my unboxing. I can't wait to get into all these wonderful items. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We've got a B&M haul coming up very soon in about 2 days time, and I will see you very soon for another unboxing. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that ring-a-ding-dong bell, and you'll be alerted as and when the minute this video goes up, or any videos I do, and hit that big red subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye now.